Sesame Care is an affordable health service, but before you decide to buy, there are a few things you need to know. Stick around until the end, as I'll be diving into 7 key factors you should consider before purchasing, and how it stacks up against other services like Teladoc and MDLife. First off, one of Sesame Care's biggest selling points is how affordable it is. While traditional healthcare can be expensive, Sesame Care offers consultations starting as low as $29, with no hidden fees. Compare this to other telemedicine services, which often charge upwards of $50 to $100 for the same service. So you get access to affordable care without sacrificing quality, which is great for budget-conscious users. Next thing to consider is the variety of services. Unlike other services that may specialize in specific areas, Sesame Care offers a broad range of medical consultations, including mental health services, primary care, and dermatology. Whether you need a quick checkup, a therapy session, or even a prescription refill, Sesame Care can help. This flexibility makes it stand out, especially when compared to competitors who tend to focus on one area or another. Another thing you should know is the simplicity of the platform. From booking your appointment to speaking with your healthcare provider, everything is done through an easy-to-navigate app. I've personally used the service, and I have to say, the interface is user-friendly. You won't find yourself struggling to figure out how to book an appointment, which is a common complaint with some other telemedicine services. This streamlined process makes Sesame Care a great choice for people who want quick access to healthcare without the hassle. Now, if you're thinking about using Sesame Care for ongoing healthcare needs, you should know that their subscription model is designed to be both flexible and affordable. You can pay for individual consultations or subscribe to a monthly plan for more frequent visits. The monthly plans can save you money in the long run, especially if you anticipate needing regular healthcare support. This is where Sesame Care really stands out compared to services like Teladoc, where their pricing is more rigid and can add up over time. Next thing, let's talk about availability. With Sesame Care, you can get access to healthcare professionals 7 days a week, with extended hours in most cases. This is a major advantage over some competitors that limit hours or are unavailable on weekends. If you need something urgent and can't wait for a doctor's office to open, Sesame Care gives you more flexibility. This is especially helpful for people with busy schedules or those in need of quick medical advice outside of traditional office hours. The sixth thing to know is the quality of care. Even though the price is affordable, you might be wondering if the care is any good. After using it myself, I can say that the providers are knowledgeable and professional. Sesame Care vets its healthcare professionals rigorously, so you can trust that you're speaking to someone who knows their stuff. This is a big plus, especially when comparing it to other budget telemedicine services where the quality can vary. Lastly, there's one more thing to keep in mind before buying Sesame Care: the free trial. If you're still unsure whether Sesame Care is right for you, there's a risk-free way to test it out. Click the first link in the description below to try out the service for free. It's a great way to get a feel for the platform, see how it works for you, and decide if it's worth subscribing to. If you're ready to give Sesame Care a shot, don't forget to click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits.